this is the Christmas edition, and of course the Metro Pop-Up, which has been organized by the Groove Studio and the Stoic Studios, which is held in Satyanath Bora Hall in Dikolipuri on 28th and 21st of December. And I've been joined by the Groove Studio organizer, and what to say, what to express about this exhibition, which is going to be organized from today to 28th and 31st.
Yeah.
So, how many stalls has been set, and what all are the new unique ideas you are bringing up on this stage?
So we have about 20 to 22 stalls every pop-up that we do. The idea of the pop-up is to be able to bring people together, whether they are small business owners, entrepreneurs, homegrown businesses, whatever it may be. It is a platform for them to feel empowered, for them to be able to bring in their version of what a business should look like, or at the very onset, we want them to feel encouraged about their passion projects and how creative they are. So this is a way to tell small businesses, small business owners that, you know what, the thought that you have, the idea that you have is not too big or not too small. It is just something that you need to come out with utmost confidence.
So, of course, all the new startups, so you're giving them a platform, you are booking the hall and everything, right? You're arranging the stalls and including the lightings and decoration, everything is there.
Yeah.
So, do you have any kind of budget for that?
We don't ideally have a budget because depending on the kind of engagement that we see for every pop-up, we sort of ideate, my partner and I, Sajma, we ideate on the cost and then accordingly make it affordable for these businesses to come out and invest in their time and energy, because this is a form of investment for them, right? To be able to market themselves, to be able to advertise themselves, and this is also a way for them to brand themselves, because of everything that we do in terms of infrastructure, we also do a lot of marketing for them, whether it is on social media, whether it is posters, whether it is banners, and I think it's a great way for them to also feel a little more encouraged that they are out there. There are people who are seeing that they are going to, put up their, products or buy their products or be aware of their products. So there are different ways of how we want to sort of put them out in the market, and this is the very first step.
So, what is the charges for the stalls if anyone want to install a stall?
Yeah.
So what are the charges for?
So depending on the season, depending on the occasion, we ideate on or we plan on the stall charges. For this pop-up, it was 5,000 per stall, and it is across 2 days. So let's say 2,500 for 1 day, where we provide electricity, where we provide other kind of amenities like tables, chairs, everything is curated. They just have to come and set up their stalls.
So, what are the new or creative stalls you have notified in this?
So we have a lot of stalls that are now coming out, or at least a lot of small businesses who are very sustainable in their practices, in their production. So we have Bikalpo, who's a very, very sustainable brand. We have a lot of other brands who are coming up, food brands, for example, who are coming out in a way that they want to promote healthy eating, but with taste in it, right? Because we think that healthy eating is associated with bad tasting food, but we want to change that dynamics completely. And by we, I mean the brand that is here. So with that, we have a lot of other brands who make homemade jewelry, who do digital art and then put it out there. So people with a lot of creativity and passion.
So, how many editions you have completed in this year?
This is going to be our 4th and the last edition of the year, and we hope that we get to become bigger, scale up even more next year, and have more small businesses collaborate with us.
Well, it's Christmas edition Metro Pop-Up, which has been organized by Groove Studios and, of course, Stoic Studios. And I'm being joined by the guest of honor today, Ruchi Bharadwaj Bora. So, I wanted to say it's completely about the open entrepreneurs. So, they're coming here and they're shining the startups. So, what do you say?
Yeah, it's of course, as I said,
It's even very close to my heart because as I entered, they said it's all mostly women entrepreneurs, and my work as a fitness and nutrition coach is also, around that only. That I'm trying each day to help women from all walks of life, to empower them, to help them progress in different fields of their life. Women come to me with lots of challenges, and of course the women here have also crossed a lot of barriers and challenges and come here. Like one particular stall I saw, there was a mother-in-law and a daughter-in-law together putting up a stall. So how nice it is. So it feels good. Okay, the mindset is changing, so it's a total all good feeling, in good positive vibes with Christmas setting in here.
So government also helping to set up the MSME sectors now. So they're getting the MSME Mudra loans and every kind of loans are used to be provided now. Udyami loans and all that. So what do you say? How they will get the benefit of the government loans or schemes?
The women, see, it's as we said, women have to progress. We need, and a government का support आने से it is again adding to their progress, financial independence. क्योंकि कितना भी हम कहें, progress तभी होगी जब women have financial independence. That will add to their confidence and that will make them stand out in the public. अभी आधी बार तो finance के crunch की वजह से ही women नहीं कर पाते हैं. So अगर backup है government का, जैसे हमारी सरकार कर रही है, तो nothing like it, nothing can stop them then.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. It is a pleasure being here, and I thank Stoic and Groove Studios for inviting me for this event, and I wish them the best, and they continue in this endeavor of promoting, especially women, more and more women, just not women, there are young girls also, to bring the spirit up. Yeah, thank you.
The organization's name is Vikalpa, and we are 2 years older now. Last 19 December we are 2 years old. So we have been promoting sustainable living through our wide range of products. So we have all handmade, handcrafted products made of all natural ingredients like beetroot. We have face packs like beetroot powder face packs, then soaps, charcoal powder face packs, lip balms. Everything are handmade. Hair oils. So basically we have been doing these exhibitions for the past 2 years, and we are getting very good response from the people, and we are hoping to get good response from here in this Metro Pop-up edition.
So if you ask him separately about your brand or company,
Yeah.
how many exact permanent customer you have as of now? You have the number, the data.
That's a bit difficult because see, whenever we do exhibitions and all, we have regular customers, but after we do exhibitions and all, we keep on getting repeated customers because they like our products, as these are unisex. Everything we have here is unisex, and you can use these products for kids also. So basically everyone likes it, and everything is natural, and we don't use any preservatives basically. So that's the USP of our products, and we are not just selling our products, we are promoting sustainable living. See, we are using detergents, like the soaps you are using, the commercial soaps, that contains parabens and sulfates, which are very harmful for our planet as well as for our health also. So we are trying to minimize that thing. We don't use any artificial fragrances in our soaps or any products. So that's the main USP, and we get repeated customers because of this.
So how was the response last year?
Last year we didn't do this Metro Pop-up edition, but we attended, we did Alchiringa, we did Rongali last year, so we got a very good response.
Let us know one thing. There's new players, day-to-day basis they're coming up, right?
Yes.
Like the similar kind of products or similar kind of brands or companies are there. So there's a sustaining, there's a surviving, right?
Yes.
So what do you think, why you are unique from them, and
Yeah.
how are you going to grow your business?
Yes. Actually, yes, we have multiple competitors, but the thing is, the main thing is the packaging of our products. See, if you see this one, we are using recyclable material maximum. So we are not using any kind of plastic packaging. Here also, if you see this wrapping also, this is made of cornstarch. So this is biodegradable. It biodegrades within 6 months. So we are not using any kind of plastic packaging. And the thing is, we are making everything in small batches. I made myself, so we are making everything in small batches. So it's fresh and easy to use, and people they trust us because of this.